Hello friends, welcome back to Laravel tutorial. We are discussing about some quick tricks, discussing about some shortcut tricks on array. Alright, so the situation is if I want to get the first data from the array, how can I do this? Or I will provide a certain condition. Suppose in our array there is lots of data and I will give a particular condition. So first time when the condition will match, it will return the data. Okay, so how we can do this? Suppose if my condition is not matches anywhere, so what will actually return? If I want to get the default statement, means if not any condition matching, then I want to get the default value. So how we can do this? So I will discuss about all those things here. Okay, so using the illuminate support array, so this is the array helper actually. So using that we can do that. Suppose we have an array like this. So these are basically numbers 100, 200, 300, 400. Okay, I want to get the first element first. Okay, so let's use the array. So I already declared it here and just use the first. Okay, and I am providing the array here numbers. Okay, and here I just going to write value and I just going to print that value. Okay, so simply write echo $value. So that time what will get? So I will get the first number, that is 100. Now my condition is I want to get the first value when we will get more than 200. So how we can do this? So this is the first function. So I am just providing the first parameter, and we can provide any callback function also. Suppose if I just want to set any callback, right, and I just going to pass the value, suppose integer value, and I want to pass the key also. So this is actually the index array. I am just passing the key, and here I just provide the condition return the value if the value is more than 200. Okay, so then what will get the output? Okay, so what is the error? So actually I wrongly added $int. Okay, so now I want to get the value which are more than 200 and which are first occurrence. Okay, so let's refresh this. We are getting 300, means I want the value which are more than 200 from the array and which are first appear. Okay, so if I just write 201, then it will get the 201. But if I write 201 here or 250 here, the first occurrence is 300, so it will return the 300. Okay, so we will get the first value which condition will match, right? Suppose if I going to write here more than 600. Okay, so is there any condition matches? So if you just refresh this, we are not getting anything. So that time we can pass some default statement also. So if the value is more than 600, so it's not matches, that time we can return any return. So this is the second parameter. So inside the third parameter I can provide any third parameter. Okay, so this is the 1000. Okay, so if it is more than 600, then we will return the 1000. So simply refresh, we will getting the 1000, mean actually default parameter. Okay, so actually this is the default value and we can pass this. Okay, so just like a function argument, so simply write default value and I just providing here 1000. So if no condition matches, it will provide the default output. Okay, so if I just write here 250, then it will return the 300. Okay, so you can understand the parameter concept. So this is the third parameter, all are optional except the first one. We need to pass this array into the first element. Then if I just going to add a condition, we can do. If I going to set a default value, we can set. So how helpful this function is. So hope you will like this video, and if this video helps you, please like this and subscribe this channel for upcoming video. So we'll come with more video like this. Thanks for watching this video. Have a good day. Bye.